Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add mods to a Minecraft server. Before adding any mods, you first need to install a mod framework on your server. The two most popular options are Forge and Fabric. Make sure the mods you download match both your Minecraft version and the framework you installed. For example, a Forge mod will not work on a Fabric server. To find mods, visit trusted websites like CurseForge or Modrinth. Use the search bar to look for the mods you want, then download the .jar files to your computer. If the mod downloads as a zip file, extract it first so you can get the jar file inside. Once your mods are downloaded, open your Minecraft server panel and go to the server files section. Look for a folder called Mods. If you do not see it yet, either create it manually or start the server once with Forge or Fabric installed. The folder should appear automatically after the server starts successfully. Open the Mods folder and click Upload. Then drag and drop your mod.jar files into the upload window, or select them from your computer. After the upload finishes, you'll see the files inside the mods folder. Finally, restart your Minecraft server so the mods can load properly. After the server comes back online, your mods should be active and ready to use. Thanks for watching.